Welcome to our stock market journey. Today, we're going to unravel one of the most crucial concepts. What is the stock market? Now, you might be wondering, is the stock market like a gigantic supermarket for stocks? Well, in a way, yes, but it's more exciting than that. Let's dive in. Imagine you are in a massive supermarket, like the ones you visit for your weekly groceries. This supermarket, however, is not filled with food and household items, it's brimming with opportunities and investments. Now, replace the supermarket with a grand building. This building is the stock exchange, the heart of the stock market. It's where buyers and sellers gather to exchange a unique kind of product, stocks. In our supermarket analogy, stocks are the items you can purchase. Just like you pick groceries off the shelves, here, you buy pieces of a company. When you own these pieces, you're a shareholder in that company. In a supermarket, products are neatly organized on shelves. Similarly, in the stock market, stocks are listed on shelves known as stock exchanges. In the US, some popular stock exchanges include the NYSE and Nasdaq. NSE and BSE are the popular stock exchanges of India. When you shop in a supermarket, you choose what you want and exchange money for the product. In the stock market, it's like an endless shopping spree. You decide which stocks you want to buy and sell by trading them with other investors. Just like each item in the supermarket has a price tag, stocks have their own price tags. These are called stock prices, and they can change every second as buyers and sellers negotiate. In some supermarkets, you get rewards for being a loyal customer, like cashback or discounts. Similarly, in the stock market, when you own certain stocks, you might receive rewards called dividends. These are a share of the company's profits. Remember those shopping lists you make? Stock market indexes are like lists for investors. They track the prices of a group of stocks to give us an idea of how well the market is doing. For example, the Dow Jones or the SP 500 or Indian indices Nifty or Sensex. Just as supermarkets can get crowded and sometimes run out of your favorite items, the stock market can be volatile. Prices can go up and down, much like the prices of products in a supermarket. So, there you have it. The stock market is like a massive, ever-changing supermarket of opportunities. You can shop for stocks, become a shareholder, and even receive rewards in the form of dividends. But remember, like shopping, it's essential to do your research and make informed choices. Stay tuned as we explore more stock market concepts on our journey together. Don't forget to subscribe so you never miss an episode of our stock market adventure. See you next time.